the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing the video on the LG G7 ThinQ for Verizon Prepaid, guys. So this one recently showed up on the prepaid website here. So if you guys want to get a G7 on prepaid, here it is, guys. As you guys know, the G7 ThinQ is LG's flagship phone for 2018. I kind of like this phone, but then again, I hate this phone as well because I don't like the notch. I don't like the notch at all. I'm not a fan of the notch. But it does have great features on this phone, of course. But the thing I don't like is the notch, and I would not get this phone because of that reason. But that's just my opinion, and that's just my personal opinion, that I would not get this phone because of the notch. But eventually, I'm sure a lot of friends will have a notch, and I guess that we will just have to get used to the notch if you don't like it now or whatever. So the G7 ThinQ on Verizon's Prepaid is $750, no contract, of course. So you guys, you guys have to pay this one outright to get it on prepaid, obviously. So the lock screen wallpaper looks very nice. I'm a big fan of that. On the front of the phone, obviously, you guys got the little notch there that has a camera and earpiece and stuff like that right there. Yeah. Your power buttons on the right side, your volume buttons on the left side, and your Google Assistant key is on the left side as well. It has an 18:9 aspect ratio on there. This front of the phone again. Left side, you got your Google. You have your Google Assistant key right there, and your volume buttons right there above it. That's on the left. On the back of the G7, this is the platinum gray version. You guys got dual cameras, camera flash, the laser autofocus, I guess, and your fingerprint sensor there, your G7 branding, the LG logo, and there's no Verizon branding on this. Not sure what that is right there. Well, so I think this is the part off the back of the. Hold on, I'm not even sure what hold on. I'm not even sure what this is right here. It's on the right side of the phone. If you guys know what this is, let me know. I don't think the back's removable. I don't think so. And then on the right side, you got your power button on the right side of the phone there, guys. Alright. So yeah, it says, get more out of your photos with the LG G7 ThinQ. Take pictures confidently with an advanced AI cam that recognizes your scene and suggests the best filters and angle. Learn about the world around you using Google Lens, or light up the dark with bright mode, which automatically adjusts your camera in dim locations. The LG G7 ThinQ comes loaded with a 6.1-inch full vision display, boombox speaker, and next level Google Assistant, and you can unlock its full potential with Verizon, the nation's largest and most reliable 4G LTE network. The G7 on Verizon's Prepaid is available in two colors: platinum gray, as you guys saw on the back, and overall black. And like I said, it's $750, so it's no contract, so you have to pay outright. So here the specs on the G7, as you guys know what the specs are. Obviously, it has 15 days of standby time. The usage time is 37.27 hours, 16 megapixel dual cameras on back, 2.83 inches on the width, and 6.3 inches on the height. There, the G7 has the LG second year promise, which is a win. So you did get 2-year warranty on this phone, so that's a definite plus. So it says, at no cost to you. With every LG G7 comes peace of mind. LG is now offering a complimentary 2 second year your coverage upon registration on top of their first year manufacturer's limited warranty. That's how confident they are in the G7 ThinQ's quality. You will also enjoy an enhanced service experience with this second year of coverage that gets you a replacement phone quickly and when you need it. That's LG's promise to you. Terms and conditions apply, of course, so make sure that you guys read that. A clever camera. Take the guesswork out of great photos. LG G7 ThinQ's recommended optimized filters according to the different subjects in your frame, and even lets you know when to switch to a wide-angle shot. Now it's at your fingertips. Snap a photo to learn the history behind a landmark, identify an exotic bird, or compare prices on a new shirt. With Google Lens, it's fun and easy to learn about the world around you. So it has Google Lens on there, so that's cool. More lightning when you need it. Capture photos and videos that come out up to 4 times as bright when taken in dim and poorly lit conditions. Bright mode automatically activates when your subject is too dark and adjusts your camera's brightness accordingly. A premium audio experience. Bring the bass and fill your room with pulse pounding sound. A larger speaker and greater sound levels make the LG G7 ThinQ louder and more exhilarating than ever. Powerful voice recognition. Super far view voice recognition amplifies your AI assistant listening capabilities. So whether you are asking questions from across the kitchen or in the middle of a crowded bus, your phone will have an easier time hearing your voice. Bright and easy to read. Send text, watch videos, and browse the web even in direct sunlight. Brilliant colors, striking visuals, and a super bright display make the LG G7 ThinQ brighter than the standard LCD phone. So this does have a LCD panel here, so it adds entertainment. Experience next level colors and contrast. The LG G7 ThinQ 6.1 inch Quad HD Plus full vision display brings your retro world to life, so you can view the stunning details of a sunset over the ocean or get lost in the rolling hills of a far-off landscape. Surround sound in the palm of your hand. Feel like you're in the middle of a concert or your child's school play. DTS:X virtual surround sound makes the LG G7 ThinQ audio appear as if it's coming from every direction, even overhead. Get more of the picture. Capture long stretching views of a shoreline or fit all of your friends and family into your next group shot. The LG G7 ThinQ includes a wide-angle lens on both its front and back-facing camera, so you can snap expansive photos from either side of your smartphone. Fresh from the source. Hear each detail with loud, clear, and accurate audio. Typically limited to high-end dedicated equipment. The LG G7 ThinQ's 32-bit hi-fi quad DAC setup lets you feel as if you were there for the original recording. So it does have the quad DAC thing on there, so it's a brand. Surround sound and all that assistance when you need it. 2 helpful features in one convenient place. Press and hold the AI key for Google Assistant, or double click to start up Google Lens. Alright. So you click once for Google Assistant, click twice for Google Lens. Expanded voice control. Google Assistant offers all the helpful hands-free features you would expect, so you can look up the nearest park, schedule a hangout with friends, and more. The LG G7 ThinQ takes it one step further with device-specific commands such as take a selfie or take a manual mode photo. Bring your photos to life. Life is better in motion. Your camera records the moments before and afterwards taking the picture, allowing you to create moving shorts. True to life recording. Capture stunning high contrast footage that rivals the real thing. HDR10 recording provides your videos with a wider, richer spectrum of colors and a greater contrast between light and dark. So as you guys know, this one has a lot of features on it. It has great features on it, but I just don't like the notch, and I would not get this one because of that reason. And it's also waterproof as well. It has LTE Advanced with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 cities from coast to coast. It's a web device which works in over 200 countries depending on your plan. Standby time is up to 15 days. Usage time is 37.27 hours. 16 megapixel dual rear-facing cameras, 8 megapixel front-facing camera. The width of the front is 2.83 inches. The weight of the front is 5.71 ounces. The height of the front is 6.3 inches. The screen, as you guys know, 6.1 inches Quad HD plus full vision display. 3000 mAh battery, Android 8.0 Oreo, 64 gigabytes of RAM, 4 gigabytes of RAM, expandable storage up to 2 terabytes. The colors available in the war black and platinum gray. There's your star ratings there, internet compatibility, network. It has all that. Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN and AC, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, of course, HD voice experience, AC voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. If you guys need help with your LG G7 ThinQ, device support is here to help out with that. They got accessories here, but if you guys want to get accessories, go to Amazon and type in LG G7 ThinQ to get better accessories for cheaper. And what you guys get in the box, guys, you guys get the LG G7 smartphone, the pre-installed SIM card, the 3000 mAh battery, which is embedded, it's not removable, travel adapter, and USB cable, which is Type C. When quick reference guide and product safety and warranty brochure. So there it is, guys. The LG G7 ThinQ is now available on Verizon's prepaid service, guys. You guys want to buy this phone outright, guys. It's $750, no contract, of course. But if you guys are looking to get LG's next flagship phone for 2018, this is the phone to get. But I personally, I personally would not get this phone because of the notch. But if you guys like this phone, get it. I mean, it does have great features on it, but the thing I don't like is the notch, and so that's just my reason why I would not get this phone. But I'm surprised that Verizon got this phone on their prepaid. So I was surprised. I was like, wow. So I figured I'd do a video for you guys out there. So yeah, if you guys want to get a G7 on prepaid, Verizon's prepaid is the way to go. Great coverage, great network, and all that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I can see you guys in the next one. Peace out.